Hi, Abigail.
Yeah.
What's on her forehead, Josh?
Say?
What's on her forehead? Okay.
Mm. Say.
You want to say anything to Grandma?
Kuna tambia grandma.
What? What do you want to say to Grandma?
Mimi utamwambia. Sema utamwambia basi.
She can say it in Swahili if she wants, Josh.
Hilo ulikuwa unamwambia nini?
Washing machine.
What'd she say?
She says that she would like to know how to washing machine. How to know how to use the washing machine.
Well, who's going to teach her how? She can learn right now. Who's going to let her be the in charge of the washing machine? Who's going to help her?
We wanna look. I wanna let the cook teach her.
Okay. You can help the cook do the washing every day if you want.
Takuwa nasaidia sasa kukuwa na sana ndani mashina ngo mule munani mfasi ya kufulia.
Yes,
Bora basaidia.
yes.
Wonderful. And all right, and let me know how that's going for you, okay?
Utakuwa naambia grandma kama linaendeka namna gani, ushayua uko nafula, unakuwa namuelezea sawa.
Wonderful. All right. All right, Josh, she's our new person in charge of the wash machines, and her and Justin. I thought Justin liked doing that too.
Yes, mom. It is a surprise.
Tell Justin to help her learn how.
Yes, mom. Justin, kule kwa kufula kwa mashini umeshakuwa na msaidizi, unataka kusaidia kwenda fula kule. Ni Abigail. You understand? Okay.
All right, Justin, going to make sure she helps every day.
Justin, ndio anajihakikisha kama saa unaenda kule anakusindikiza. Okay. Do you understand, Abigail?
Yes.
I love you.
Yes.
Mwah.
Again.
Yes.
Bye bye, Abigail.
Bye.